Hey guys, we have here our Honda scooter, the Zoomer X, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the air filter of the engine of this scooter. Okay, so at first, in case you don't have the proper tools in order to do this, then the scooter actually comes with all the tools that we need in order to do that. So the first thing we do is open up the seat cover, and then underneath here towards the back end we find this little additional cover which we can easily pull off. So right underneath here we find a Phillips screwdriver. So, and that's actually all we need. So when we take a look at the cover of the air filter here on the back left side of the scooter, then we're going to find here 5 Phillips screws. So 3 on the top end, and then there's 2 more on the bottom. We're going to remove all of those, and then we can just simply pull off here this plastic cover, and underneath we find here the dirty old original air filter. And in the best scenario, best case, when we pull off the filter, we can see the inside here of this air filter box is actually pretty clean. But just to make sure, we're going to pull or wipe off the remaining dust that's in here. So now this is here the new filter. I'm going to show you here the part number that I purchased here, original from Honda. And we're going to put this in here, but first you're going to have to take a look at the seal that you find here on the surrounding all around the air filter box. So you see here at this point the seal is actually on the right side detached and not in the correct position. So I found this out after or while I was editing my video here, so I went back and fixed this actually. So now we're going to put on the new air filter with this paper, the green paper facing us, and then we can install the cover of the air filter again, make sure that this is also clean inside. And so after we put the cover back on, we're going to use all those 5 screws that we took out earlier. We're going to put those back into position, tighten them firmly, and then we are already done. Okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.